From the outside, it looked like Apple's tech was falling behind, or their products weren't good enough, or that but it was the only thing that had a shot at working. Just let that one sink in for a minute. Not we have to cancel the bad ideas. No, we must cancel our good ideas. This was a massive shift in how they thought about things. It was them admitting that a really cool, innovative project could still be the wrong thing to do if it was a distraction from the main mission. And there it is, the big one, the decision that changed everything. In a world that is always screaming for more products, more features, more growth, were almost immediate. Not in sales, not at first, but internally. All of a sudden, teams were on the same page. Decisions that used to take months were now being made in days. The infighting started to die down because everyone was finally pulling in the same direction. And this is the big one, with fewer things to worry about, the quality of what they were making went through the roof. And it all came down to this. One single mission. One clear path forward, one vision for the entire company. By just getting rid of all the other noise, all the other options, Apple finally gave itself a chance to succeed. Quality just got better and better. And as the products improved, partners and developers started to believe in Apple.